Okay, SP Tulsian of sptulsian.com is also with us now. Mr. Tulsian, good afternoon. Let's first talk about some numbers. Your thoughts on the market reaction on Kotak's numbers and also Bajaj Finance, which as we speak is making fresh highs.
See, Anuj, Kotak numbers, I would say that I'm not disappointed. You know, one may say that the things are seen to be little flattish on the operating profits, and maybe the provisions have seen having increased to about 500 crore from 313 crore on a sequential basis, and that has made the PAT to correct. But overall, if you really take a call, maybe if you can give the price to book of 7.5 to Bandhan to Bajaj Finance and maybe 6 to Bandhan Bank, I don't think that the Kotak Bank by any standard is seen expensive. And maybe the results probably seen the effect of the little flattish kind of results which we have seen, because what is happening across the board, this applies to all the, whether you take the case of Hindustan Unilever or Kotak Bank. In fact, all these so-called stocks which have risen, or maybe 8, 10, 15 stocks which have been seen just rising one way, having realized by the market that things are moving towards the expensive end of the valuation range, and probably that is seen taking a toll on some of the stocks, but they will again bounce back maybe after a correction of 2, 3, 4%. Coming on Bajaj Finance, I think phenomenal number. In fact, when Q4 numbers came in an NBFC, in fact, you need to show the sequential growth as well, apart from the YOY growth. But when Bajaj Finance gave the numbers for Q4, there was no sequential growth even on the core income, net interest income business, or maybe on the operating profit or on the PAT. And in spite of that, we have seen the share moving upward. But now, if you really take a call on a YOY basis, 80% growth, and I don't think that this is going to get sustained for the remaining 3 quarters on a YOY basis. But one can definitely expect a growth of 35-40%, which market has been expecting. So probably Bajaj Finance again have come out with phenomenal number, and even here, in spite of the higher provisioning having made by Bajaj Finance at 327 crore against 231 crore on a sequential basis, the bottom line is seen to be quite good with EPS, as I said, that 82% growth in the bottom line, with EPS of 14.5 against 8.4 for the similar quarter last year. So Bajaj Finance, fabulous number. Kotak, I am not disappointed with the number. One can maximum call it as flattish. So maybe the positive view remains on both the stocks. Maybe Kotak can be looked at 13.10, 13.15, and allow Bajaj Finance to correct, because now it has again bounced back. So allow the Bajaj Finance to correct. This will definitely be showing some corrections maybe in the next 1 week or so. So look to enter at that point of time.
Okay.